How on earth do you wash and reproof a waterproof jacket? And how often should you do it? Washing your waterproof jacket at home can be straightforward if you know what to do. Ensuring you wash and proof your jacket is necessary to prolong its life by ensuring any dirt, debris or body oils aren't hindering its ability to perform. If you don't do this, the fabric could become blocked. Although it still won't let rain in, it won't let moisture out and it becomes very uncomfortable to wear. Now there are two options for cleaning and reproofing your waterproof garments. The first can be done at home using the washing machine and tumble dry. Make sure you rinse your washing machine on a quick spin to clear any leftover detergent which could damage the jacket. Then make sure you empty the pockets and close all the zips and fastenings on the jacket, including the main zip. It's best to use a non-biological detergent or technical cleaner for this process. We'd recommend the Grangers Outdoor Wash and Clothing Reproof Kit, which is a great all-in-one package to clean, care and protect your item in the long term. Add this solution and wash on a gentle, cool setting of around 30 degrees. Make sure you read the white label for any specific instructions the garment may have for cleaning. Add the reproofer to the machine and wash on a gentle, cool setting of around 30 degrees. After the wash, spin your jacket on a low speed. You can then tumble dry the garment on a low heat for 20 to 30 minutes to activate the DWR proofer, but only do this if the label allows. If you don't have access to a tumble dryer, then using an iron on a medium heat with a tea towel as a barrier between the iron and the jacket will help to activate the DWR too. If you're short on time, you can have it done professionally by our team of experts here at the Rab Service Centre, who can also fix any problems you're having with your garment in the process. And that's it. Your jacket is now ready to tackle the worst of the British weather. You can shop all the products featured in this video on the Go Outdoors website.